Hello, this is Rio Animation Squad, and I'm gonna be opening a pack today and playing a song. Sorry if it cuts out. Yeah. Let's go get a pack, and then after I'll play a game. My favorite pack is Breakpoint. Here. Hopefully I get another break. The good thing is I can see that thing, which tells me how long and when it's gonna cut out. Yeah, I'll open this thing first. Yeah, I opened the chest. I got a Electabuzz and a coin. Nice. Open another one. Oh, I got Lavender Town. What does that do? Once during each player's turn, that player may have their opponent reveal their hand. Ah, it's good. Town of cut. Oh, Breakpoint. Oh, I got a Trubbish. Staryu. I never got anything real good. I know. Like I got a Trubbish. And it's it's a Sizer EX. What a open. What a card. Gee, that's a good card because I got the Mega too. Well, I'll try and find it. I'll try and find it. Like when I started the game, that was my my GX card and all that. Cause you start off with a good card. Yeah. If you're wondering what's in my mouth, I'm eating a pizza. Yeah. I'll try and find it. Yeah, I got good cards. Yeah, I think it's steel type. Yeah, I'll use skills. Steel type. Yeah, see this, the EX. The EX is right there. See there. Yeah. Solid. Straight up solid. And I got a Prism. Solgaleo. I traded 2 for 1 break Greninja. I don't care, because I have another one. Yeah. Whoop. Young to play.